Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I got this easy corkscrew perm rod set. But first, before we begin, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be alerted when I do post another video. Alright, so we're going to get right on into how I achieved this perm rod set. First, I'm going to section my shampooed hair into 3 sections, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. Now, all I'm using for this is some styling gel to lay down my roots, and I'm going to use some mousse. I'll be using the lottabody. For this style, I'm going to go with a deep side part, and I have stretched my hair out a little bit. So now I'm just going to take it and then separate this part into 2. Comb it out and make sure that the hair is nice and smooth and detangled. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and section it, and then we're going to begin. I'm going to start with just putting a little bit of gel on my roots, and that basically just holds my roots down because they tend to get a little puffy if I don't put anything on there. So I want to make sure that my roots are nice and sleek. So first I'm going to start with just spraying it down with the mousse. Then I'm going to section this part into 2, and just like that, I'll put a little bit of gel on my root. Make sure I got it all. Here's the gel. And now I am going to twist it like 3 times, and this also helps for your roots to stay down. So I twist it 3 times, and then I'm going to comb through it, make sure it's smooth, and then begin to apply the rods. Alright, so I'm using the orange rod set. I am going to take it from the bottom, or top, and then now I'm just going to twist it using a twisting coiling method all around, making sure that it's nice and smooth, and make sure that your ends are in the roller. And then simply just collapse the roller after you've done that. Alright. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and do the next section. Once again, I'm going to put gel on my edges and my roots. Twist it 3 times to make sure that it's nice and tight. I'm detangled. Make sure you keep detangling your hair. Make sure it's nice and smooth, and you are pulling your hair as straight as it can get. All right, now go ahead and twist it up. 1, 2, 3. Some of them I did 2 times. Some of them I did 3 times. It just however I felt. Go ahead and take that rod and do the same thing that you did with the first one. Yes, I see that I left a little piece of hair out, so we're going to go ahead and fix that after I do this. Pull it nice and tight. See how I'm like twirling my wrist a little bit? And that's what's going to give you the corkscrew effect. Make sure it is smoothed around that roller and basically collapse it, and you're good to go. Now I gotta fix that little part that got left behind. You don't want to leave any hair out. Alright, and then basically I'm going to do this to my whole head. And guys, see how I'm corkscrewing the hair to the back? When I get to the other side, I will be doing it a little different. So I'm taking it with the gel, same thing, twisting it, but instead of rolling their hair to the back, I'll be rolling it to the front. And basically the reason why I roll it to the front on this side, because it just makes it easier with, I guess, with the right hand, left hand thing. So let me show you. Twisted it up 3 times. You're going to take your roller, and instead of rolling to the back, I roll it to the front. Once your hair is done, it's not really going to make a difference on how it looks, but this is just easier for me, so I just wanted to tell you why I do that. I don't know about you, but my hair gets extra poofy in the back because my hair is really curly in the back. So I am applying a little bit more gel to my roots so that it will stay flat. And this is my hair all rolled up. This is the back. And I am going to be right back when my hair dries all the way. So yesterday I did sit on the dry for about an hour. But I did not take my rods down because I didn't have anywhere to go. So I definitely slept in my rods with my scarf. And shockingly, it was not that bad. It actually was quite comfortable. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the takedown process right now. And as you see, this method makes a perfect corkscrew curl. Yep, look at that curl. It's beautiful. All right, let's take down all of our hair. Now it's time for the unraveling. We're going to use a little bit of oil for shine. Go ahead and put it all over your head, and this will help with the frizz as well. I don't know what was going on with that back curl. It came out my scarf, so it was a little frizzy on the ends, but that's okay. We'll take care of that. So I'm going to go ahead and put oil all over my hair. Now remember, our hair is twisted at the roots, so we're going to start with taking down that twist. You separate it as it's in 2 sections once you separate it. Then you take one section and you separate that section, and then you go to the other section and you separate that section. And that's all we're going to do today because we want our hair to last a week. So we're going to try to reduce as much frizz as we possibly can. So we're going to go ahead in our head and try to find every last twist, unravel the twist, which will give you 2 sections, and then you take those 2 sections and then you unravel it again. So 4 in all on each twist. And that's basically it. Let's get it. And then we'll get to our full style. All right, this is the final look. That's the back. We are not picking or stretching because we are going for longevity. We'll do that later. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up, a like if you like this video, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. See you guys.